Welcome back. In this video, we're making a roast. To start, grab a bone-in rib roast. This one is around 8.5 pounds. Score the fat cap, being careful not to go all the way through. Season all over with salt and a little bit of pepper. Place onto a wire rack-lined baking sheet. Then place into the refrigerator to dry brine for 24 to 48 hours, uncovered. Rub all over with 2 sticks of unsalted butter. Into a roasting pan, the aromatics of your choice. Drizzle with olive oil. Season with salt and pepper. Toss to coat. Insert a probe from a meat thermometer into the thickest part of the meat. Bake at 250 degrees for 3 hours and 45 minutes to 4 hours, or until the internal temperature reaches 118 to 120 degrees. Cover and let rest for 20 to 30 minutes. Remove the aromatics from the roasting pan. Then pour the juices into a measuring cup. You should get about half a cup to 2/3 of a cup of pan drippings. For the au jus, 2 cups of red wine and the pan drippings. Cook over high heat or until it's reduced by half, about 6 to 8 minutes. Pour in 4 cups of beef broth. Cook until it's reduced by half again, about 12 to 15 minutes. Remove the foil from the meat and place under the broiler for 2 to 3 minutes, or until the fat cap has melted. Remove the bones. Cut into 1/2-inch thick slices. Onto a serving plate it goes. Top it off with the au jus. And there we have it, a rib roast. That's it for today, guys. Drop a like and a comment below. Subscribe if you're new. I'll see you next time.